Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. For today's project, we're gonna use this black paracord 550 and this gold microcord. But before we start, the credit for today's project goes to our friends over the Paracord Guild and C by S Paracord and more, so make sure to check the description box down below. So that being said, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, or to check out the top 3 of our paracord projects from this channel, check the information cards in the top right corner and the description box down below. Now we're gonna start. Take the ends of your black, pull them together, so we'll find the center of our black strand, like so, and here it is. Now we're gonna take this, let's say, bite and pull it from the top into the buckle. Let me zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So when we finished with our bracelet core, we're gonna start with the basic cobra knot or salmon weave. So we're gonna take our left side black, place it on bracelet core, and then with the right side black on top of the left side black, around under the bracelet core, and then from the back through the loop on the left. Now we're gonna take our right side black, place it on top of the bracelet core, then with the left side black on top of the right side black, under the core strands, and from the back through the loop on the right side. So we finished our 2 cobra knots. We're gonna continue with the left side strand, so on top of the core strands, and then with the right side strand on top of the left side strand, under the core strands, and from the back through the loop on the left. But we're gonna insert here the gold microcord. So we're gonna take the left side and pull it through the left loop, and with the right side pull it through the right side loop. Then we're gonna take the ends, pull them together all the way, and now we're gonna cinch our cobra knot. From here we're gonna take our right side black, place it on top of the bracelet core strands, and then with the left side black on top of the right side black, under and through the loop on the right. From here we're gonna take our gold strands of a microcord and pass them through the middle from the top Then we're gonna return it and pass them from the back through the middle. Now we're gonna cinch this. From here, we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle, like this, and then we're gonna return it from the back to the right side, then on top of the core strands, and once more under and from the back through the middle. From here we're gonna take our left side black, place it on top of the core strands with the right side black, on top of the left side black, under and from the back through the loop on the left side. Then we're gonna take the gold microcord and we're gonna pass it on top of the core strands, and then from the top into the middle. Now from here we're gonna take the left side gold to the left side, the right side to the right side, and we're gonna return it from the back through the middle. So the right side, and now we're gonna take the left side and pass it from the back through the middle. Now we're gonna cinch this cover knot and we're gonna tighten our gold microcord. Now we're gonna take the right side black, place it onto the bracelet core strands, and then with the left side black on top of the right side black and under. Now cinch this. Then take the left side strand on top of the bracelet core strands, with the right side strand again on top of the left side strand, under the core strands and through the loop. Now take the gold microcord and pass it each side, the left side into the left side loop from the top, the right side into the right side loop from the top. So we have our first spider finished. Now we're gonna proceed. And here is the one thing, important one. So you can cut off the X of microcord here and melt them together. But the more secure way is to, let me just untie this last few knots so I can show you. So we're gonna untie these cover knots until this last one here, where our gold microcord enters from the top. Then we're gonna simply take the gold strand and pass it under the core strands, and we're gonna use these gold microcord strands to be as well as our core strands. So we're gonna take the right side strand and we're gonna place it on top of the core strands, then with the left side strand on top of the right side strand under both the core strand and the gold microcord strands, and we're gonna pass it from the back through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna cinch this, and let me show you now. As you can clearly see, the both microcord strands are under our gold paracord, so we're gonna finish it with one more cover knot or Solomon weave. So take the left side strand, place it on top of the core strands, with the right side strand on top of the left side strand, under again the gold and the black paracord, and pull it from the left side through the loop, cinch it, and here we are. We finished our bracelet, and as you can see, our microcord is under these two strands of a black, so when we cut off here and melt it, it will be firmly secure under these strands of black paracord. So let's cut off the X of a cord. And as you can see, we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!